Welcome students. Today we will do endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex and lysosomes. So here we start with endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is a network of membrane running throughout the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. It continues with the outer membrane of nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum occurs in three forms. First one is lamellar form or cisternae. Next one is vesicular form or vesicles. And third one is tubular forms or tubules. So what is cisternae? Basically, rough endoplasmic reticulum exists as cisternae. Cisternae is a flattened membrane sacs which are bounded by the membranes. They are long and unbranched tubules which occurs in pancreas, notochord, brain, etc. They are arranged parallelly in bundles. Next one is vesicles. So what is vesicles? They are oval and remain isolated in the cytoplasm. They occur in most cells, but they are abundant in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The third form, tubules, which are the branched structures forming reticular system along with the cisternae and the vesicles. They are occurring almost in all cells, but they are often found in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Look at this diagram. Here all the three forms of endoplasmic reticulum are being shown, that are cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Depending upon the presence or the absence of ribosomes, we do have two types of endoplasmic reticulum. So the first one is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the next one is rough endoplasmic reticulum. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum are having the smooth walls because the ribosomes are absent. They are not present onto the surface of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They occur in those cells which are involved in the metabolism of lipids and glycogen. For example, adipose cells, glycogen storing cells of liver, etc. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, as the name suggests that it is having the rough walls, these are just because of the ribosomes which are present onto its membranes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum are found in cells which are active in the protein synthesis. For example, plasma cells, pancreatic cells, liver cells, goblet cells, etc. Now we move on to the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. So the main function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum include lipid metabolism, that is catabolism as well as anabolism. Next one is glycogenolysis, that is degradation of glycogen into the simpler form. Drug detoxification, which do takes place in the liver. Endoplasmic reticulum provides rigidity to the cell as it forms the ultrastructural skeletal framework because it spreads throughout the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum contains many enzymes on membranes so as to perform various metabolic activities. Next function is it acts as an intracellular circulatory or transporting system as it passes on the substances from one part to the another part of the cell. Next one is protein synthesis, that we have already discussed, that if the ribosomes are present, then they are being utilized to produce the proteins. Another is synthesis of cholesterol to form the steroid hormones and bile acids. One more function is there, that ER membranes form new nuclear envelope after each nuclear division. So these are the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. When endoplasmic reticulum is homogenized and fractionated, the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum gets disrupted and forms small sacs or vesicles. These sacs are covered with ribosomes and they are termed to be as the microsomes.